Hey, everybody, what is up? Sean Hatzel here, the owner of Get Lean and 12 and Stubborn Fat expert for people over 35 years old. If you're in your 40s, 50s, or 60s, stop by, pay close attention, because inside this video, I'm going to talk about why the most important meal of the day, breakfast, could actually be making you gain more belly fat. I'm going to share 3 myths that you've been fed about breakfast. I'm also going to share published studies backing up these myths. And somewhere around this video, you're going to see a link to Click or Tap where you're going to learn about a specific pattern of eating in a diet hack that I have personally used for nearly 10 years in a row now to maintain six-pack abs. My wife Karen and I both use this trick at least 5 days of the week. And this has been scientifically proven to help you lose more belly fat. It also has a ton of other benefits that I'll share with you at the end of this video. So you can learn all about this specific pattern of eating and this diet hack, again, at the link around this video, but don't click it yet. I want to talk about these 3 breakfast myths. The first myth about breakfast, the most important meal of the day, is that it increases your metabolism. And the idea that breakfast increases your metabolism, there's really no research to back that up. In fact, right here, it says in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, researchers delved into dozens of studies to uncover the relationship between eating breakfast and increased metabolic rate. The researchers divided 309 overweight and obese, but otherwise healthy adults into 2 groups to specifically find out whether eating breakfast or not had any impact on weight loss. And after 16 weeks, the researchers found absolutely no difference in weight loss between the 2 groups. So the researchers concluded that breakfast being the most important meal of the day is merely nothing but a shared belief and myth. Number 2, eating breakfast helps you control your hunger. In fact, the exact opposite could happen. I mean, we've been told, okay, you need to eat a big balanced breakfast because then it'll prevent you from eating more later in the day or late at night. This is really just a myth. Breakfast does not help you control your hunger. In fact, most typical breakfast foods do the exact opposite. Things like orange juice and bagels and toast and muffins. All this stuff spikes insulin, the body's storage hormone, and sends you on a roller coaster ride of cravings and energy crashes and sets you up for fat storage for the rest of the day. So that's the second myth. The third myth is that breakfast helps you control weight and lose fat. And the reality is that research really shows no correlation between eating breakfast and losing weight. According to Time magazine, contrary to popular belief, quoting them right now, having breakfast every day was not tied to an improvement in metabolism. Prior thought supported by research has shown that eating early in the day can prevent people from overeating later out of hunger, and it boosts their metabolism early. Well, this new study, which examined the causal links between breakfast habits and energy balance, did not prove that. In other words, the bottom line is this: eating breakfast does not necessarily aid in weight loss. Now, if you're a breakfast eater and you love breakfast, I do have some good news from you. You can still eat breakfast. Just make sure that you stay away from insulin-spiking foods like high-carb foods. Stick with lean, healthy protein. Stick with fibrous vegetables. And then I also recommend adding in some friendly fats, like some raw nuts or maybe cooking some eggs in olive oil where you have some friendly fats there. That will keep blood sugar stable to set you up for a higher energy day and less cravings later on in the day. However, there is a better way to lose belly fat in a specific pattern of eating. And somewhere around this video, you can see a link that you can click or tap to learn all about that. Now, not only have I used that to maintain six-pack abs, I got back from Florida this year and I was kind of out of shape from partying too much on the beach for a couple months. And so I did a 30-day challenge using this specific pattern of eating. You can see over 30 days, I wasn't obviously overweight to begin with, but it just goes to show you the power of this specific diet hack that my wife Karen and I use. Now, Karen is 57 years old. I'm 46. We're grandparents to 5 grandkids. And people always ask us how we look so much younger than our real age. Well, this specific pattern of eating in this diet hack is one of our hidden secrets. Now, I want to share, and I'll post all the research below this video, the studies, and then when you click the link around this video and you go read about my articles, where I'm going to uncover some more diet myths for you, you'll also see all these studies at the bottom of this page substantiating these claims. So this specific pattern of eating in this diet hack, which we like to do 5 days of the week, and it can be done all the way up to 7 days of the week, controls insulin. Remember, when insulin's under control, the body can readily access fat as a fuel source. The second thing that it does is it naturally increases growth hormone without exercise. Remember, once you turn 35 years old, your growth hormone levels decline rapidly. This is a condition known as somatopause, and this specific pattern of eating is going to help you overcome that and optimize growth hormone levels. It also helps with cellular repair. This is a process known as autophagy, and some people call it autophagy. But basically, it's the cellular cleansing of your own cells. It also helps you increase metabolic rate, unlike breakfast. It helps you increase fat burning. It lowers your risk of diabetes and insulin resistance, reduces inflammation, prevents disease, and reduces cancer risk. It improves heart health, improves brain health, fights against Alzheimer's, and it's even been shown in studies with rats to help them live longer. So again, I'm not just making all this stuff up. Every single one of these claims using this specific pattern of eating is backed up by scientific, public, peer-reviewed research. So hopefully you got something on this video. If you did, throw me some hearts, throw me some likes. If you got questions, drop a comment below. My team will do its best to get back with you. And make sure that you click the link around this video where you can go learn about this diet hack and the specific pattern of eating. And I'm also going to share several other diet and weight loss myths that will probably shock you. So thanks for watching and keep going strong.